What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Hollywood. I want to put this video out to let y'all know that I have this hot phone for sale, and I wanted to let you guys know here on Facebook, to all my family and friends know first, before I put it on Craigslist or on eBay. Selling this good phone for a decent price. I'm not asking for much. I mean, I know the iPhone is a new thing, or any phone in 4G is what everybody's looking for, but I guarantee that this phone is real good. So, let me just go ahead and show you what it is. And, bow. What you know about this phone right here? It's a Nokia Classic. I know some of you guys are laughing, and for those of you that are laughing, it's because you had this phone. It's a real good phone. It could take a beating. Like I said, it's a Nokia. And for the first person to inbox me, I will throw in the house charger, and I'll even throw in the car charger. Now, don't pass up on this deal. Like I said, I'm only asking for $4.95 free shipping. Get back to me. Please inbox me and let me know what you think. Or, I'll take the best offer. Just hit me back. Don't pass up on this good deal. Like I said, man, it's your classic phone. And with that being said, peace.